Hi everyone, welcome back. So today is bulb planting day when I'm just planting daffodils. This is the only daffodil I got because last year it was not successful. So before I invest in buying a whole bunch, we want to have a successful daffodil growing season first. So this one I got from Ace Hardware. I show you that in my last video when I was doing fall planting. So I got these from Ace Hardware. So let's see where we want to put them. Okay, so I'm gonna put 5 here. So it comes with 25. I'm gonna get 5 in there. It says plant September, December. I wanted to plant it last month, where it is December 3rd. So last time I planted almost like January 1st, so that was too late. About 10 inches deep. Okay. And the flowers mid to spring. Mid to spring. Mid to spring. It flowers mid spring. Alright, so I'm gonna get 5 and put them in there. And even though it says planted 10 inches, I heard that you were only supposed to leave 2 inches on top. So last year I think I did plant it that deep, so I'm gonna plant it a little bit more higher and see how that does. Okay, so we're gonna plant it to make sure this part is this is where the roots are going to come from, for the roots, and this part we're gonna have facing up. So just gonna put them in there just like that. And if you look, some of them, look at this, see, this one's 2 and then this one's 1. So cute. So my count is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna get the biotone in there. Not a biotone, the bulb tone. And since there's so much sand, I'm gonna put a little compost in it as well. just gonna put a plant tag here so I know that it has some daffodils in here. I'll come in and write the name on it later. I probably won't, since I'll know that's daffodils. Alright, and I gotta start taking the pumpkins down because fall is done. Well, for me it is. So I got my daffodils planted there. So the next one I'm gonna put it is over there next to the hibiscus that I have over on that spot over there. So let's head on over. Alright. And that's my woodland garden that I was trying to do that I got driven out. Okay, so let's get her. I think I'm gonna put 2 sets in. I'm trying to figure out put in the front and the back or side on side. Decisions. Because when the daffodils start coming up, the hibiscus isn't gonna be there yet. So I'm gonna put it in the front. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so got my 2 bunches planted there. Alright, let's go back on this side and get some more planted. It's so gloomy. Only thing that we need is some white snow, but we can't get that here in Florida. So we gotta stay for rainy, gloomy days. And today's actually warm. It's like 78 degrees today. Last week it was like in the 30s. Like when I tell you our weather here in Florida is so crazy, it's ridiculous. One day you get super hot, next day you get super cold. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out where to plant it. So I already have some right there next to the evergreen, and I think I want 2 separate clusters. So I'm thinking right here and right here. Yep. I should do it over there. Alright, so I got these in ground. So I put the one right there and the other one over here. You remember I had my mums in the containers here, my wine barrels, so I'm putting these up until spring for my spring planters. And I'm going to put the mums in ground. It's about to rain, so I'm not going to be able to do that today. And I had some more mums in those containers. I'm putting those up as well. I cut them all the way back because I'm putting them in ground as well. And I'm going to change up my porch decor for Christmas decor. Maybe not today. But if you would like to see my daffodils and how they look, and if I got them in ground on time, and if this year is actually a success, because last year they came up but they didn't bloom, and I know I planted them super late, like almost in January I planted them. So if it doesn't work this year, I'm going to actually chill them, because I haven't been putting them in the fridge. Only the tulips and the hyacinths and those type of bulbs I've been putting in the fridge. So if it doesn't work this year, I'm going to next year I'll put them in the fridge to cool and see if that changes. And then if we have success with that, I'll keep you guys posted. So be sure to subscribe so you can follow along for more. And I have a lot of garden cleanup to do. I'm wondering if I leave the weeds and the frost come, if they'll die. This way I won't have to weed for the winter. So I may keep an eye on that and see. Who knows, I may get bored and come out and weed one day, or I'll keep an eye on them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.